What is up, guys? I've always wanted to say that because that's what all the YouTubers do. Welcome back to Daily Day Trades YouTube. If you're new here, what we do is stocks. We talk about stocks, we trade stocks. Every single day I go over a watch list. The day following that, I'll talk about the previous watch list and a new watch list and go over any trades that were made or any trades I'm planning to make. Okay? So if you want to subscribe below, it happens every day, Monday through Thursday. That'll be awesome. It's basically compounding interest of information. It's free. All right. Thank you. Also, all these trades are posted on the website below, dailydaytrades.money. There's only like one link down there. It's in the comments or description or whatever. Alrighty, let's get into it. So we have CRTD. This one was actually from a subscriber today, which I think is a really good call. As you can see here, there's a basically perfect uptrend that follows this line, completely linear, and then there was an offering here, which was the demise of the stock. Offering is over. Everything is good now. And it had, let's see, about 1.5 times the biggest volume since this big drop over here. So, the interest is there, but I think a lot of people just sold out because it was a little bit higher. I don't know if the 5-minute will show us anything. No, not really. It's just, it's not that heavily traded, so that looks good. Price target for that, I would definitely want to get rid of some before testing these highs here from before the offering. So that's part of the plan. It's actually trading below what I bought it at right now, but that's okay. There's Sundial. I talked about this one yesterday. I clearly am doing fine on that. I have a bunch of different price targets and things here. I have not made up my mind completely. I think getting rid of some before this high would be a good idea, but I do think this will push higher if the interest remains there, as you can see down here. Pretty high volume recently. I think there was like over 600 million volume today, so that's good news. IBIO, this one worked out pretty good too. This one I did not mention on a watch list, but I bought it today on a whim, basically, because I know there's always high interest in this stock. And you can see here, besides this really sell-off that we had over just about an hour or so, a pretty consistent day. It traded right with the VWAP, corrected back to it, straight up. Then this is the key here that I think means tomorrow's going to be good, is when you see this much volume that late in the day, that's definitely good news, regardless of whether or not the last candle was green, which I do like to look at. Then there is ATOS. This is up another, I don't even know, it's up a lot after hours. I've held this for a few days now, and it has not disappointed. It's almost doing like a little cup parabolic action here, and it finished close to a daily high, which actually, wow, I didn't even notice that. Look at this. Look how it just touched 325 the whole time. So it broke that. It's like 380 at this point. I think I'm up over 30%. I'll probably sell some of that because we're looking at the price being somewhere up here, and that's when you're going to start seeing people from this start to sell off. So I'll take that 30% and let the rest ride out. Then we got Vaxart. Always an interesting one. There's always high interest in this. As you can see, there's all these days where everyone's been talking about VXRT, and today was one of those as well, but it was not on a good note. Massive run up. And then today, 57% down. There was actually a point in time where, yeah, you can see here, it looked like it was going to reverse, and I was so close to buying it, like right here, and then it just trickled down the entire day. I think people were either just scared or cutting losses, or I don't know. But there will be a point in time where it at least gets back up to here. It's going to happen because that's at least what it's worth. So I'll definitely be watching that. I don't want to heavily invest in it as like a long-term play, but I think with how cheap it is right now, it's going to be kind of a no-brainer that we can get it back up to a higher price than we purchased it at, which is $9.85, which, as you can see, is pretty low historically over the past 6 or 7, 8 months. Then we got a crazy one, Ink W. This had like something stupid like 700 million volume at 7 cents. It is a penny stock. It's penny stock. It's traded OTC, but I think it's. I mean, I don't know anything about the company. Okay, this was just a thing. Someone posted a trade on the site that went up 1,000%, and she was flexing on all of us, and I was like, I gotta find some penny stocks to buy. So yeah, shout out to you, Slashy. I don't think that's how you say it, but that's okay. Yeah, and like I said, all those trades are posted on that link below, including the ones that I make. And the followers have really good ideas too. For instance, this one was not my idea originally. Neither was APRE. Yeah, this one's up like 20%. Actually, this one and CRTD, those are the same person. So more people, more ideas, more monies. Right? Okay, you join. XERI, this was another one suggested by one of the homies. Looks like a nice kind of bull flag pattern going on here. I would like to see more people trading it, kind of back to these levels. I have not bought this yet, but I'll be watching it tomorrow for sure. I will be watching IBIO to add because, yeah, we got this potential up here. So if it looks like it's just going to really break out, I'm down to add it and take some profits intraday and hold some more overnight. But we'll see how that goes. Lake, I sold today. I think I mentioned this on the watch list yesterday. It did go up 3.5%, and it looks like it'll break all-time highs tomorrow if everything goes as planned. I guess I'll watch that, but every time I buy it, it just moves very slowly compared to other things. So I like it to move quickly, and if it doesn't work out, sell it. If it does work out, keep it, make some money. Alrighty, well, I think that's about it. I feel like I had something else to watch tomorrow, but I don't know. I'll think of it later. So if you want to join the website, it's down there. I already said that twice. Yeah, outro song.